Hey guys, it's Leafy 50, so I did that 50. So I haven't made a video in a while, but look! Look! It's adorable! Look at the baby bird! Look at that adorable little baby bird! Mom is somewhere, I have no idea where though. This ain't gonna hold me so. Ding dong dong. Ding dong dong. Baby birdie, baby bird, saw that baby bird. Alright, there won't be any more songs in this. I'm just too lazy to edit it, and I already said the song. Bye bye, baby bird. I don't know where it is. Anyway, that was adorable little baby bird, little baby bird, little baby bird, 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 little baby bird. I'm just gonna film this vlog. This vlog. Oh, I'm from this fucking town. I got back to my house. I'm all the way down here. Oh, balls. Just look at them big balls. Oh, papa. I'm a March. I'm part of the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. I'm part of the comments out of Habitat. And if the Duck Boys are watching this, please subscribe. I love your channel, and I love all you guys. I love all you guys. I watch everybody on YouTube who plays video games, including TV Nerd Convert, TV Nerd Frags. I watch a lot of people. Really hope you guys enjoy this video. Smash the like button. The baby bird. Oh man, I'm starving. I am just starving. Oh man, I'm starving. I just can't wait to eat food. Thanks. Oh, look at this chair. This chair seems perfect. This chair is absolutely perfect. Why would anybody throw it away? Along with TV, another TV, another TV, and this huge speaker. It's huge. And this huge speaker. Oh my god. It's large. It's extra large. I think I might take these home. Set them up in my room, like I'll have them all like this. In American dish. That one too. I'm gonna ask my mom. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here because I want the stuff. And call you back, and I'll see ya. Bye.